Hello everyone! Welcome back sa isa namang panibagong Geotorific episode ng ating virtual class sa Mathematics. And today mayroon na naman tayong bagong pag-uusapan at yun ay ang multiplication and division of integers. Pero bago yan, kung bago lang kayo sa channel na ito, please don't forget to subscribe and share ang ating mga videos para marami pa ang matuto sa mga bagay-bagay na ating pinag-uusapan dito. So dahil alam kong excited na kayo matuto, at madagdagan na inyong kaalaman sa araw na ito, huwag na nating patagalin ito, umpisahan na natin. Ngayong araw ay tatalakayin natin ang multiplication and division of integers. Pero bago yan, ito muna ang mga rules na dapat nating tandaan sa pag-multiply at pag-divide ng integers. The first rule says that multiplying or dividing two integers of the same sign, the sign of their product or quotient is positive. The second rule says that multiplying or dividing two integers of different signs, the sign of their product or quotient is negative. Okay? Ano ba yung tinutukoy ng rule na ito? Ayon sa rule na ito, positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Negative times positive equals negative. Ganon din kung baliktarin natin, positive times negative equals negative. Sa division naman, positive divided by positive equals positive. Negative divided by negative equals positive. Negative divided by positive equals negative. So, ganun din. Kung babaliktarin natin, positive divided by negative equals negative. Okay? Upang lubusan natin maintindihan ang konsepto ng mga rules na ito, ay sasagutan natin ang mga sumusunod na example. Let's find the product of the following. Let's have number 1, 12 times 8. Kung makikita natin, ang ating 12 at 8 ay parehong positive. Therefore, ayon sa rule number 1, dalawang integers na magkapareho ang sign na imumultiply, ang sign ng kanilang product ay tama, positive. So therefore, positive 12 times positive 8, ang sagot ay correct. That's positive 96. Let's have number 2. Negative 7 times negative 8. Ang ating 7 at 8 ay parehong negative. Diba? Ayon sa rule number 1? Tama. Since we are multiplying two integers of the same sign, the sign of their product is positive. So therefore, negative 7 times negative 8 is equal to positive 56. Nasundan? Right. Ito tayo sa number 3. Positive 15 times negative 3. Kung makikita ninyo, ang 15 natin ay positive, samantalang ang 3 ay negative. Tama? Magkaiba sila ng sign. At dahil dyan, gagamitin natin ang konsepto ng rule number 2. Multiplying two integers of different signs, the sign of their product is negative. Therefore, malinaw na ang 15 times negative 3 is equal to negative 45. Okay. Let's try number 4. Siguro naman alam nyo na yung sagot ng number 4. Tama ba? Okay. Anong rule ang gagamitin natin dyan? Tama. Yun ay ang rule number 2. Multiplying two integers of different signs, the result is negative. Therefore, negative 25 times positive 4, the product is very good. That's negative 100. Dadako tayo dito sa pangalawang set ng examples natin. Let us find the quotient of the following. Let's start with number 1. Okay? We have 32 divided by 8. As you can see, 32 and 8 are both positive. So since we are dividing two integers of the same sign, anong rule ang susundin natin? Tama! Yun ay ang rule number 1. So dividing two integers of the same sign, the result is positive. Therefore, 32 divided by 8 is positive 4. Very good. Let's have number 2. Negative 75 divided by negative 5. Makikita ninyo, ang 75 at 5 ay parehong negative. Tama? So rule number 1 pa rin ang ating gagamitin. So ibig sabihin, ang sign ng kanilang quotient ay very good, napakagaling, positive. Therefore, negative 75 divided by negative 5, the quotient is tama, positive 15. Ngayon ay dadako tayo sa example number 3. We have positive 66 divided by negative 11. Di ba magkaiba sila ng sign? Anong rule ang gagamitin natin? Tama, yun ay ang rule number 2. Dividing two integers of different signs, the sign of their quotient is negative. Correct. So therefore, 66 divided by negative 11, the result is tama, negative 6. Sige nga, kayo ang sumagot sa example number 4. Okay, we have negative 120 divided by 10. Kung ang sagot nyo ay negative 12, tama kayo. O diba, napakadali lang? Alam ko naman kaya nyo eh. Madaling-madali lang. Basta wag lang natin kalimutan ang rules. Okay? So bago tayo magtapos, tandaan natin ulit ha. Huwag kalimutan ang dalawang rules na dapat nating alalahanin sa pag-multiply at pag-divide ng integers. Ayon sa rule number 1, multiplying or dividing two integers of the same sign, the sign of their product or quotient is positive. Multiplying or dividing two integers of different signs, the sign of their product or quotient is negative. Very good. Ayan. At siya nagtatapos ang isang namang panibagong Joterific episode ng ating virtual class sa mathematics. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito. Hanggang sa muli, ito ang inyong Joterific teacher, Teacher Joter, na nagsasabing maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin ha. Bye-bye at mag-iingat tayong lagi.